Today's engines are designed to be more efficient and produce higher horsepower while also having to lower engine emissions. Without regular service, engines are less efficient due to the accumulation of car-killing deposits. Deposits disrupt the proper operation and corrode and destroy the surfaces on which they accumulate. Deposits that affect performance occur in these three areas: the air induction system, including the throttle body, the plenum, and the air intake manifold that sends air to the combustion chambers. Secondly, the fuel system, including valves, fuel injectors, piston tops, intake and exhaust ports, and the rest of the combustion chamber. The third system is oil, which includes piston rings and the crankcase. If any one of these key systems are compromised, air, fuel, or oil, a chain reaction soon occurs, and all three will be affected by lower efficiency and ultimately engine failure. This is why an entire engine cleanup is needed to restore power and performance. The main purpose of the air induction system is to be the lungs of the engine and provide the exact amount of air to the combustion process. Air induction is also affected by the emission control system's recirculation of gases, including oil vapors from the PCV valve and exhaust gas, both recirculated back into the air intake to be burned the second time to lower harmful emissions. Deposits also form in the manifold and intake ports when valves, that remain open after the engine shuts off, leak exhaust gases back up through the air intake ports and into the manifold. Over time, oil vapors from the PCV and the combustion chambers, along with exhaust gas from the EGR, introduce sticky deposits that constrict the amount of air entering the combustion chamber, disrupting the critical air-to-fuel ratio used by the manufacturer. This causes timing issues and misfires, which result in carbon buildup on valves and injectors. Symptoms of car-killing deposits include poor fuel economy, power loss, hesitation during acceleration, rough idle, hard starting, pinging or knocking, and increased emissions. A technician uses a BG atomizing tool to directly apply BG Air Intake System Cleaner part number 206M into the vortex of the air intake system. This cleans deposits that restrict air in the plenum, manifold, and down through the air intake ports. This service loosens deposits, allowing them to be removed and burned in the combustion process safely. The combustion of air and fuel mix at the precise millisecond a spark plug ignites combustion. This perfect timing is altered when carbon builds anywhere, including the air intake manifold, ports, valves, injectors, piston rings, piston tops, and the top of the combustion chamber. Clogged injectors affect the spray pattern and the volume, which destroys fuel efficiency and causes engine misfire. Carbon buildup in the combustion chamber and on piston rings changes the compression in each cylinder, which also affects computer timing of ignition. Using specialized equipment, a technician will direct a powerful carbon cleaner through the injectors to loosen deposits and safely burn in the combustion process. BG Fuel Injection System Cleaner part number 210M restores surfaces to like-new condition. Fuel quality and the amount of cleaning detergency in gasoline varies by location and, depending on the station, varies in the amount of time fuel is in storage. Fuel system deposits form in the fuel tank, fuel pump, the fuel filter, fuel lines, the entire fuel injection system, the combustion chambers, the O2 sensors, and the catalytic converter. Deposits in all these areas are cleaned to like-new condition using BG44K. Especially baked-on deposits cleaned within the next full tank of fuel, between engine use during the cool-down process. Because of its quality and effectiveness, in a recent survey, BG44K was chosen 4-to-1 as the best fuel system cleaner over all others combined by service managers. The BG air induction and fuel injection services pay for themselves in lower fuel cost, higher engine efficiency, and longer life. This service is recommended every 20,000 kilometers. BG Products Incorporated, an international company founded in 1971, pioneered the products, equipment, and services used in shops around the world to keep engines clean for life. BG is the best way to make sure engines operate at peak performance between every service. For more information, contact your BG Middle East representative.